Hello, good night. This is my personal presentation. My name is Leidys Pantoja. I am 27 years old. I am from Valencia, Córdoba. I currently live in Bogota. I live with family. I work in a factory of dental implants. I am dental mechanic. I am a student of psychology. I like to live to music and dance, and my sport favorite is baseball. My favorite TV is Elite, and like to riding a bike. This my family. Mom and dad are separated. They have 3 children. My sister is Lina, live in Chile. She is 29 years old. My brother is Albert and live in Bogota. He is 24 years old, and I Leidys. My mom has a husband. They have 2 children. She's name is Wendy and Wilfred. My mother lives in Medellin. She is very, very beautiful. Is tall, brunette, and she is 49 years old. She is dressmaker. My father is thin and white. He is 60 years old. She is a farmer and lives in Valencia.